Take a look here at number 4 on the green worksheet. So what we have here are 5 graphs that you see. The one in the top right-hand corner, this little W here. All right, this is a graph made by some function. Some function. I'm not sure. I could probably figure out what the function is, but for now, just know that there is this generic f of x machine. You know, we've been talking about the function machine, where x is the input and f of x is the output, or y is the output. Whatever this machine is, this is the picture that it makes when you go to make the graph. All right, it looks like a little W there. Let's find a key point on that graph. I think the little peak of the middle of the W is kind of a key point that stands out to me. Where is that point now on the original graph? 0, 2. So that point, that important or key point, is at 0, 2. What I want you to focus on is where that point moved to in all of the other graphs. In A, it used to be at 0, 2. Now it's here. How far away is it from its red position, and which way? Down 2. So this function moved down 2. That's how you write the equation for something that moves down 2. If you don't know what that equation is, you just call it f of x. So f of x is this function machine, and its picture moved down 2. So it's f of x minus 2. The blue one, we used to be at 0, 2. Now it's how far, which way? From its red position, 3 up. So that function machine that produced this picture is now up 3 from its original position. That's the equation that you write. Okay? That's all you need to do to show me if it goes up or down. F of x minus 2 for down 2, f of x plus 3 for up 3. Left and right are a little bit more difficult. Basically, just remember that the controls for moving something left or right are in the control variable. They're in the parentheses with the x. The way that I remember it is if you have this little red dot, which used to live at 0, 2, if it has now moved to the right, I know I'm going to need parentheses. Anytime it moves left or right, you're going to need parentheses on the left and right with x in it, along with the number of units that it's shifted. So which way has it shifted and how much? Looks like it goes right 3, so you make f of x minus 3. The parentheses control left and right. This is going to move it right 3. There's no real way right now to check this on your calculator or anything. You just have to trust that that's going to move it right 3. When we start graphing specific equations, you will be able to check them to make sure they move left, right, up, down, like in number 3 and in number 2 from the same green worksheet. Finally, D, the point 0, 2, apparently has moved a couple different ways. It looks like it's gone left 2 and down how many? Looks like it's gone left 2 and down 3. So this has a multiple transformation. It's got a couple different things going on. To make it go left 2, you put a plus 2 in here with the parentheses, in there with the x. And how do you tack on a down 3? Minus 3 on the end. So those are the 4 answers for number 4. There's a similar problem if you want to follow it up right now on the review that I just handed you, number 5 on the back. I suggest we start with number 5, 6, and 7, and then do the front later. Okay? So number 5 is kind of similar. Just tell me which way those graphs would move from their original position.